Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to go apartment shopping. Woo! Should I set you down? I'm not loving my hair right now. It's like kind of poofy. We are going apartment shopping. We're going to IKEA. I'm going with my mom. You guys love my mom. Me too. There's a few things that I want to look for. I'm wanting to get new nightstands and I'm not really sure which one I want. I also want to look at mirrors. I just love browsing IKEA. I feel like it's so fun. I'm not sure if I've ever talked about this. Where I'm from, there's nothing to do for fun. So I remember in high school, I never did this, but people would drive to IKEA, which is a decently far drive, and they would play hide and seek in IKEA. I never did it, but like people did. This is also my outfit. These are from Forever 21. They're wrinkled. This shirt, I love it. I got it recently. I did like a little like TikTok haul thing, but it's from like a store called Nectar and I love it. Like the waffle texture, so cute. And then I'm unsure about this necklace. From Forever 21, has like little butterflies on it. So basically the game plan for right now, I'm going to drive to my mom's house. Like it really doesn't make sense to do this because I live here, IKEA's here, my mom's house is here. But we're still doing it for my mom. Hopefully we'll get lunch or something because I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna drive to my mom's house and then we're gonna go to IKEA and I'm kind of running late, so. I'm at my mom's house. We're about to go see my doggies. Hi. Oh, thank you for kissing my leg. Oh, hello.
Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.
We're here. Woo woo. Everyone say you like my mom's hair.
It's not nap hair today.
I think I tell this story every time. Or do you want to tell it?
No, you can tell it.
Oh, well, one time I made her be in a video like this and she was like, my hair looks so bad.
Well, I had been taking a nap and then we came and I was like, oh my God, my hair looks horrible. I had nap hair.
Every time she's in a video, she's like, let me make sure my hair is good.
Do you know why? Because moms have to tell the same story 50 times, so.
Okay, ready for my funny joke that I saw online? So do you know how IKEA is like blue? I saw this video and these people like saw the blue and they're like, oh, it's the ocean, because it was like kind of like there's like trees around, so all they saw was the blue, and they go, that's not the ocean, that's IKEA. You actually like that joke? Kind of. My mom likes this table because the leg.
Yeah,
I actually like that a lot too.
You put your trash can there,
Yeah, I just put things there. I like how they painted that. Do you want to know another funny joke about IKEA? I'm just on a roll. Okay, people will like, I guess more of the kitchens, people will like take photos like in the IKEA showroom settings and be like, just bought my house, my first house at like 19 blessed.
So
Did you like that one? Yeah, so they're liars. Should I do it? Ready? Bought my first house at 21. It wasn't as funny as it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be funnier. If this was bigger for like under a like kitchen cabinet, do you know? I do like this cart. This is kind of cool too. Good brand promo.
I would use this at school. Handheld actually bought one something similar to that, but it had drawers.
Oh, nice. What is this? Smart lighting? Think it'll work?
Do it.
I'm pressing, nothing's happening. Oh, you did it. Wait. Ooh, ah.
They kind of come on slowly.
What is
That's the pendants.
What are these things? Like what are the arrows for? I'm sure that's to make it brighter. But what are the arrows? Oh, now it's bright. The pendants are like for $18. They're really nice looking.
Okay, let's do under the cabinet. No, it doesn't turn on.
Oh.
Right?
What? Under what cabinet though? Okay, you know what this kind of looks like? I know it's the, no, it is. I thought it was the shadow. How these are different colors than that. I never thought I would like that, but I actually do. See how these are different colors than that? Are you not picking that up? Yeah.
Are you sure it's not shadow? Because look how white it looks over there.
See, that's where I'm confused
This
because
one is off. Look, this
is it like a gradient?
No, this light is off, so it makes it look gray. Because look, white.
No, that's what I thought, but like doesn't this look like two completely different ones, right?
Maybe they ran out of one type.
But it looks very nice. Like it looks very cohesive.
Like ombre.
That's fun. Look at that. Planty. We're testing out the comfort of all these couches just for fun, but it's not comfy. You sit down, you're like, you get like sunk in and then you're like too far back.
Can you see a footstool? You're good.
That's our footstool.
Yep.
You're tan. These remind me a lot of the nightstands I have now, and I want different nightstands. So this is not what we're looking for, but it reminds me so much of the nightstands I have. My mom's on her phone.
Planning our trip.
Where are you going?
Illinois.
Oh, right. Anyone from there? Look at this. These are cool. Like you buy the shelf and then, oh, this is the color of wood that's really popular right now that I was telling you about.
This is neat too, but
Oh, have you, I'm sure they still have it, but they always have like a ton of these and then they put like the plants. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like in waiting rooms. You can also put them like that. I don't know why you would want to do that or what you do that for. Oh, that's a good point. But I feel like I'd rather my shoe storage look like this. But I guess you probably have more What? Like put them here? It would fall off?
Yeah, if you had them that way, you could put more than one in there. You could stack.
Yeah, but like why would you need the, I don't know, we're overthinking it.
just because.
Ooh, another Ooh, this looks like Kendall Jenner's kitchen. Have you ever seen that, Mom? Probably not. Kendall Jenner? No.
Green?
Yeah, she has a green kitchen. This is another really popular thing right now. I'm teaching my mom all about interior design trends. Kitchen countertop is the same as your backsplash.
For a while.
Oh, look at the doggy.
That comes and goes.
Yeah, I feel, well, especially recently, I feel like every trend is coming back.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing new anymore.
This is neat. What do you think of?
I love this.
What do you think of that with the space on?
I don't. Okay, look at this, guys. It has like lights and then there's like a bench. I feel like it's just like I'd rather have it go to the floor and have more storage. Do you like this one? This is like a cool little kitchen. Do you like this, Mom?
Yeah, I've seen that before.
So
It's just
that's what I'm gonna do above my bed, but I'm gonna make them closer together.
in your next apartment.
Yeah, I'm gonna, what?
How are you attaching them?
Command strips.
Okay.
I'm not gonna nail them into the
know.
wall.
I was just like,
I
oh
was
my
like, the look of
God.
panic on your face. I was like, do you think it's ugly?
No, it's like how many holes are we gonna have to fill?
I like that. Ooh, yeah. My only fear with that is that wood is really expensive right now.
I think this is not wood. I think
What
this
is it?
Composite.
Do you think I should buy it from here? Do you think they sell this?
How many pieces do you need?
A lot. Because I wanted to go all the way to the ceiling.
We'd have to look.
Because I was looking on Amazon, or I was thinking like Home Depot. Like I just want like flat, like 1 inch thick, and then I think I'm even a little closer together than that.
It's cute.
I wonder if they sell them.
What's that lady right over there? See that lady right there? Go ask her.
I was saying, what about this? This is dog food. What?
What?
Huh? We're looking at this like mini refrigerator kind of thing. Why does it like sing every time you open it? But the freezer is also really cool. Oh, it's like that? Interesting. I feel like that is like no storage. But for one person, like in a little like apartment or something, because look at that compared to a regular fridge.
Well, what's the square feet on it?
Pretty cheap too.
And this one's 19. Not really. Look.
Yeah, I guess you're right. It's not that cheap. Nope, never mind.
These are the cheap ones.
Take it back. The white fridges always give me like garage fridge vibes.
Grandma's house.
Oh my gosh. We're looking at nightstands because I need some. I have some that I don't love now.
Out of stock.
Okay, I love these. I want white ones though, but I really like this.
Paint it.
If they, oh, it's really hard to open and close.
Could just be not put together right.
Yeah, that's also the style of wood that's really popular right now. But I really like these. I had those nightstands over there and I'm mad that I gave them to Goodwill. I really like that a lot.
The littler one.
It's in the shade Bamboo. I'm gonna take a photo of it. I could also do these ones. This is the one that I had before. No, that one is. I don't even know. I think they might be the same one actually. I like the other one better. This one's $10 cheaper.
You like this one?
I feel like that's too wide because the room is small. I'm so annoyed that I had exactly what I needed and I gave it away.
Yeah, but remember it had like a bubbly top.
Yeah, it was falling apart. So the next thing I need is mirrors.
Okay. Let's go look.
Okay, I like that one, but it's not the one that I have in my room now. I want to put in my closet. I like this one, but I want like a gold one. There's one from here that's huge that I feel like I would really like, but I would prefer a rounded one that's like gold, but well, that's not gold.
Goldish.
There's a huge one here that I've seen everywhere online that I want to look at. We'll find it. I really like these mirrors. I feel like they go with the vibe that I want, but I might wait to get them just to make, because I don't know how much like counter space I'll have, or like, you know.
A dresser?
Yeah, but I might put it in my closet because there's not that much room.
Is it smaller than the room you have now?
It's, oh, maybe, I don't know. I have my own walk-in closet and I'll have my own bathroom for the first time ever. Our favorite hobby is trying to pronounce the Swedish words, so please help.
You first.
Okay, ready? Vispening.
I think it's Vispening.
That's what I said.
No, you said Vispeninging.
Vispening. Vispening.
Harji. Bening.
Mixing bowl in English. Your daily lesson of Swedish. Next up is this one. Valvadaradad.
Valvadardad.
I don't know how to pronounce the A with the double dots. Valvardad. Valvardad. These are the mirrors I love. I like these.
Yeah, those are
like how they're, and I like how you can hang these too.
Oh, that one goes this
Oh my
way.
gosh, look, this is literally like, it's not focusing, but it's like a necklace clasp. Do you see that,
Oh,
Mom?
neat.
That's how they hung it.
I like that.
I like, yeah.
I'm afraid this is gonna fall over.
I know.
Oh, it's attached.
Oh, good,
I
good.
like messed with it.
Oh, you messed with it. Here are some mirrors
What about them?
with the hooks. Oh, I
Oh,
don't
like
know.
you know how you walk into your bedroom and you.
Oh, yeah, like for your person, like a entryway. It's a rusticate, Mom. Okay, I love
Those
these.
are-
I don't know if I like the white, but if they were all gold, it would be so cute. Are you getting the vibe of what I want, Mom? Gold. Like this, if this was all gold, that'd be perfect.
Yeah.
But it is not. We're looking for the mirrors. I paint so many things. We're in the scratch and dent section, our favorite section ever. It says up to 50% off, but I saw something that was 80% off and something that was 60. But they have good stuff here. But we're gonna check out. Everyone's getting something except for me. No?
$34.
It's a good deal.
It is a good deal.
But I have a lot of things that I want to get, but I'll need to come back for after I move into my apartment. Sorry if you can hear the air conditioning, it's 111. I asked my mom to take a photo of me outside the IKEA sign for my thumbnail. And I said, make sure your thumb's not in the way. That thumb? That one?
Yeah,
that's the one? Let me show you how her thumb is in every
It's not in every
single.
Not every single.
This is when I was like, we need to retake it. Yeah, just my mom's thumb, just in every photo. And I said,
there are some good ones.
yeah.
There are some good ones.
But we had to retake the good ones. My camera battery actually died right as I was filming that last clip. It was just RIP that camera battery. Hey, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But I didn't do anything else for the rest of the day because I was so exhausted from shopping in the heat in 111 degree weather. So exhausting to do that. I did not end up getting anything, but I do know exactly what I want to get for after I move into my apartment. I just wanted to see them first and make sure that's what I wanted, and then I'll move into my apartment and measure and make sure there's enough room. I don't know the measurements of my apartment, but I wanted to go feel it out. My mom ended up getting something for her, and then we ended up buying something for my sister as well. So it was a successful trip. We had a lot of fun. Everyone go hype my mom up in the comments. We love her. Yes, Chris. We love her thumb in the thumbnails. She took a thumbnail. Seriously? No, I'm just kidding. I love you, Mom, if you're watching this. You're the best. Thanks for shopping with me. Thanks for taking my thumbnail. I love you. And I love you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.